Today on Pinbusters, we're making lotion bars. I got an email from Rachel out in Phoenix who'd like us to make our very own lotion bars using shea butter, beeswax, and some olive oil. Let's see if it works. So you're gonna want equal parts of all three of these items. We were looking everywhere for beeswax and shea butter, and the only place we found it on was actually Amazon, and it's not expensive. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your beeswax pellets and you're gonna pour them into your microsafe bowl. And we're gonna go melt it in the microwave. Be right back. Our beeswax is all melted, so now we're gonna add the shea butter, and you're gonna cut off a big piece of it and put it in the bowl. Give it a little stir, and then we're gonna put it in the microwave again and let this melt. Be right back. Now the beeswax and the shea butter is melted together, and now we just add the olive oil. It got chunky. And then we're gonna add it to our silicone. We're gonna fill these all up and let them sit overnight. We'll see what happens. We let our lotion bars set overnight and they look like this. So now we're gonna take them out of the silicone and see how they look. Pretty cool. Well, there you go. We're gonna start our own lotion bar shop. And take a little bit of the excess off. Look at that. Now, do they work? My hands feel moisturized. I'm gonna say they work. Well, these are really cool. I mean, it's not like it's a little bit of that sticky consistency for lotion, which I'm not a big fan of, but you know, if you have really dry skin and it's like the dead of winter, I mean, these are great to just pick up and kind of rub on your ashy, you know, your elbows and your heels. I think they're great. You could probably add a little fragrance if you'd like, if you know, or keep them like this, or no fragrance whatsoever. So I'm gonna say pin trusted. Way to go, yay! So now we have lotion bars to keep us moisturized during the winter months. That's all we have for Pinbusters today. If you guys have pins at home you'd like us to try, email us at bust@pinbusterstv.com or leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.